everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Design. Today we will be making a gift card holder in a form of a suitcase. So these are the pieces that we need. Very minimal pieces, pretty quick to put together. And here are the dies that I used. These dies I purchased off Amazon, but here's the layering piece here, and as you can see, very minimal. So really easy to make. And then for some of my insides, I used this form of gift card holder. So these come here, and these are separate. I purchased it separately, but this die I used for this set, and I believe they're all like that. So if you stick around on this one here, I did change it up a little bit, and I used this one here. So you can just see the way it's being held, and then this one here. So stick around till the end. I will show you more examples and details on this, but for now let's just start creating. This is the gift card holder. Pretty easy to make, as you can see. And I did put a gift card. I did show while I was assembling it how where the gift card flaps are. So you'll just slide it in like so, and it holds the gift card. So here we have a Hello Kitty with 3D bows and a gift card holder. So the 3D bows are nice. However, they have a tendency to get squish. So as you'll see, I start using more single dimension. One dimension, I mean, ribbons, bows. And so here's another one. Another one. Got all my stuff in here. Here's another 3D bow. I had a tendency to put my ribbons on the left side. But here you can see I used the pretty paper underneath. That's solid. I don't know why I did that. Maybe it's just experimenting. And here's another one. I like plaid colors, they're so pretty. Here's another one. Snowflakes. Pretty easy to make. You saw how it took no time at all. And when I speed that up during my edit, it'll be really fast. So those are my projects from this suitcase gift card holder. Again, I purchased the dies through Amazon, and I think they turned out really cute, and it gives my customers hopefully more options. I did more Christmas this time than any other, but these plaids you can pretty much use anytime. But I plan on making non-Christmas ones, again, just for options. And so you can see I have to take out the one with the 3D bow, because it's not, I don't want to squish them. But that's what I made in maybe 2 hours, or less probably. The cutting what took most of the time. but the assembly part was really quick. This is my project, and thank you for your time, and hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll leave the link below for the die set, and hopefully you can make your own. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a good week. Thank you guys. Bye.